Wait. There we go. There we go. Now it's working. Oh, buddy. I'm feeling a little bit of what's the word? Troubleshooting, office supplies, and technical dubs. Doing a little critical thinking practice, yeah? Gotta consider some people like to draw pictures. I like to fix technology. So, we're going to do, and I'm going to go back into the IT specialist simulator. It's pretty good, actually. It's pretty good. I have seen potentially bugs involved, but as far as the technical prowess and specialties, I really do enjoy dropping in once in a while. It's kind of like your PC builder. If you ever played the, what's the other one, right? Hold on. PC builder. PC. Oh, I wanted to try this one more. Oh, Gladia bots. Program little bots to fight each other. That would be cool. Joy of programming. PC. No. Well, I guess it's not in that list. Hold on. There it is. How is it? Not. It is in that list. Anyway, PC builder, right? Very similar to this case. You basically use all of the general knowledge of an IT uh, specialist, I suppose, infotech, and you build PCs. You can modify all the BIOS settings as far as the connection frequencies between memory boards and graphics cards and overclocking and all kinds of random stuff, which is pretty sick. But I don't want to do that. I want to fix some networking. I guess the big diff here, right, is gonna be that something like this is more the networking aspect. I don't think I've taken apart a computer in one of these yet, but this is gonna be, oh yeah, typical. Yep, hola. Yep. This is the Windows startup screen right here. When you when you for some reason have a Windows install for like 10 years and there's an update and all of a sudden it's like, "Hi, we're preparing things for you. Please give us a moment." And then you're like, what the hell are you doing behind this blue screen, man? Are you taking something? Are you installing something? What are you doing? It's really weird to see that screen when it's not a fresh install. But hey, it is what it is. So, oh, where's the sound? Hold on. Hold on. Oh, yeah, it's supposed to be in here. Hello? Meow, 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 meow. I mean, I hear myself. That's fine. What? Huh? 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 Say what? Say what? Oh, mm. Wait, there's no sound. Oh, wait, hold on. There it is. Huh? Huh? Who? Huh? For what? There's got to be some sound happening here. Nothing's patching through. Okay, one segundo, por favor. Let me see what YouTube is gonna do. Nope. Test. Ooh, Charlie. No. Charlie the unicorn. It's gotta be sound. Yeah, there's the sound. The sound is working fine. So what happened with this? I'm using my capture. Loading up. Okay. Uh, there should be sound right here. Hold on. Maybe, maybe not. I'm not. I'm not. I'm just gonna start it. I feel like there should be sound at any point throughout this process. Wow. They don't have a start screen music. That's confusing. Hey Dev, you should put like this on the start screen. It really confused me for a second. Oh, that's all right. Let's do it. Okay. So here's our working environment. Oh, it looks like, I'll be honest. It looks like a Roblox game. Totally honest. Looks like a total Roblox game. What's that? Alright, so this be the office. How get tablets? Give me tablet. Mail. What do I need to do? Tomorrow, service team from Lemon INC will arrive to install permanent internet connection. Check your mail. I am. Request to the IT department after the service work is completed. Please check if our router has switched to the new provider. Oh, good. Yeah, so we're gonna learn how to mess with routers, which is useful for those that are wanting to like host a server at home. Like a lot of people want to like host games on their computer or host some sort of server. You have to know a little bit about router port forwarding, but even then, it's risky. Hi, just a reminder to check if the fixed line is already properly connected to the... Guys, guys, relax. Relax, give me a moment. I'm doing the things. What's in my inventory? Change address to static. So DHCP is disabled. Addressing assignment, perform a ping to the router. Didn't I already do this? Office 107. I think I tried all this and I pinged and everything and it worked, but it didn't. Penalties? Alright, let's check this out. So pet Mulasatter. Office 104. Gotta go office 104. Oh no, that was something else. This guy. P for power. OS segment. Okay. I'll open up a terminal. Ping what? Almost ping to the router. So this is, well, okay, hold on. IF config, or IP config, sorry, I'm on a Windows. That's the address, default gateway, so it should be pinging 192.168, it's already connected. Oh, destination host unreachable. Interesting. DHCPD. No, that's a Linux thing. Hold on. IP config renew. Media state. Everything's disconnected? Wait, no. Well, no, that's just that one thing. Hold on. Renew error. Okay. Oh, maybe it's flush DNS. Don't tell me that's an unknown command too. Oh, come on. How much? Come on, guys. Not in. Look. Oh, I'm gonna mess up my internet. But look. It's not an unknown. Wait a minute. I mean, I did it the other way too. Yeah, it's not an unknown command. It is an actual command. I'm just doing the wrong slash. So you should be able to do an ipconfig/renew. But no, it's an unknown command, apparently. Okay. So can't ping. The HTTPD is disabled, which it is. It should be. We don't have a connection. Let's check our network devices. Not connected. 0 gigabit transfer. Settings. It's supposed to kind of emulate like a Windows Mac environment. It's a very interesting hybrid. Storage, system components, activation. Hold on. Hold on. Question. How do we have an IP address and an Ethernet port if we're not connected? And the Ethernet's the only connected factor. There's no Wi-Fi to actually have an IP address on the other end. Or some other connection outside of it. But then again, media disconnected. Adapter 3. This looks like it's adapter 1. I need to get to the hardware. Control panel. There we go. So I need to get to the hardware. Change network card settings. That's weird. It has Ethernet 3. Where's Ethernet 3 in the hardware settings? Alright, let's check the Internet Protocol version. Yeah, IP, I mean the 10. See, that's the one I had to mess with the DHCPD. Yeah, 992.168 10 1 2 no that the values I'm supposed to have in here? No, that's just a particular. Okay, so I don't have to set it to any particular amount. So let's do 100. I always like to use 100s as a base point. We can also do 1, right? 192.168 1. But then again, I think the router is actually on 1. 10 1. Nope, still nothing. Oh, what's the connection to this router? Hold on. Hold on. I gotta use another computer. Oh, what are you connected to, Mang? I know I have like a schematic on the tablet somewhere, but it's way easier just to go on a working network, grab a terminal, do an IP config. Yeah, it's 10.1. This guy's 10.125. More network settings, or not even that. Let's go to control panel, network sharing. That's what I had set up. That's exactly what I had set up, so why didn't it work? Was this a bug I had? I'll just move it back, 127, 2550, etc., etc. Would this be a perfect case to do a flush DNS? But I can't do that because the command don't work. Or doesn't exist in this game. Unfortunate. Oh yeah. Okay. I wouldn't say that's an issue. No connection involved first. No firewall issues. Alright, this is one of those other things I'll do. Request to change switch password for admin. Data for task, that's the switch location. Okay. So let's do network, connect Wi-Fi network standards. 15 was in the warehouse. There's a switch in the warehouse for 15, so going through, connecting through here would be the best bet. What the heck is this? Avocado? I'd like to invite you to check out my own programming language, Avocado. It's 100% free. Programmista art. Huh? Uh, Virus? That doesn't look suspicious at all. Ooh, okay. Okay. Open up a browser and go to 192.168.10.1. 15.1. Right. Hold on. Default password must be changed. Okay. Okay. Okay, configuration. Hanover, Warsaw, different locations, GIDs, host ports, cool. Configuration, RCIP, not that one, that's just a login system. Passwords, RCP, Wi-Fi, router, admin. Ooh. Oh, great, did I forget? I think I changed another password somewhere else and I totally forgot what it was. We're gonna call this... God, I don't want to have to remember passwords for a totally different thing. Current password admin. I gotta change this apparently. Admin. Because what? Wait, didn't I think I did password 123. I don't care. Yeah, password 123. Super secure. No one will ever get it. Oh, too many. Please. Don't feel like having to remember a video game's ability. A password chain. Okay. Great. What did you want me to do? Wait, that's not what it was. Change device password. Great. Done. Problem or RCP configuration? Oh. Set the parameter correctly. Okay. I received information from the department in Spain that they can see our employees' clock-ins. I checked it and indeed, I don't see the employees' clock-in the system. Something must have glitched. Can you verify? Yay! Okay, so our clocking in RCP module is using our local 192.168.15 gateway. Come on. Just go home. The subnets. Office subnet switch address. So we're here in warehouse. Two subnets, 10 and 15, right? Oh, this one I probably forgot. Maybe it's password 123. Also, I hope. Otherwise, GG. Configuration for IT. This Spain, Madrid. So there's an IP leak or a host port being passed on to the wrong place. Because we're using a wide area network to connect all the offices together. Oh, whoa, I can change jobs? That's nice. Okay, that's pretty cool. There we go, the RCP, correct RCP as it states. But we do have... In this section, configure the network addressing according to the standard. The first RCP uses the address ending in 241, and the last one can go up to 245. So based on how many of these employee login places we have. Example 10.10.10.241. If you don't know the network addressing scheme, the branch by the nearest computer, ideally connected to the same switch, open a terminal and type IP config. I mean, that's true too. We can try to log in. We can also try to log in. True. Let's try to log in from the same area. New tab. No, 192.168. 192.168.15.241. Hello? Hello? Wait, did I change this password? I did, didn't I? Oh! I did password change here. Please tell me it's the right one. Oh no! I'm gonna quit this job now. I messed up. I changed the password last time to that router and I don't know how to get back into it, which is fine because I'm just gonna leave and no one's gonna know and they're gonna have to reset it. 15.241. Go to site. Okay, so that's the RCP login. Oh geez. Okay. The RCP login, Vanquish, Pop Rot 123. Wow. Vanquish, Pop Rot. Oh. Oh. Okay. Vanquish, Pop Rot 123. Yay! Alright. Okay. Host. Okay, so Madrid would be 95. 90. Oh. Where are we? What country am I in right now? I don't even know where to forward it to. Set the parameters correctly. What office branch is this? What dimension am I in? Network addressing starts this. Enable host registration. I don't think this game ever disclosed what location I'm supposed to be in. Network PoE, point of entry. Network state. Okay, so we got the localization correct. The local area network system's fine, but our device is accessing or going and forwarding to Spain. So are we in Hanover? 95. Oh wait, hold on. There's different. Wait. Ports. The ports are the pieces. Okay, so now all the IPs are the same. The ports are different. So we should see 71. Okay, we have 2899. 28990. Krakow. No, 28990. Those are all of the same. Okay. GID. Group ID 9. 9 is down here. Wait a minute. Hello? DID, no. Device ID 15. On a 2899 UDP? Device ID? No, 15. Katois. So we should. Oh! Oh! I think this has to be 10. Group ID 10. Ah, there we go. Okay, log out. Now I got it. Now it's set. Fine. Great. That's fixed. Request to adjust settings. Who wants their wallpaper? Office Squeezy. Request to adjust settings. I talk with my new friend, AI, and I think it's absolutely right. I checked the password requirements in the console, and together we believe the minimum password length should be 8 characters. Additionally, the password validity period should last about 30 days. Oh. Okay. So Emma Johnson, Office 104, IP 122. Can we talk about this whole thing about people getting AI to be their quote-unquote friend? And no one I mean, I'm sure some of you out there find that weird, which you definitely should. And so do absolutely I. What is that? What are those things? They look like Ninja Turtles or something. Anyway, don't befriend your AI. It's not a human being. It's not how that works. Emma, office to the right. AI doesn't have any ability to do anything other than appease your already biased observations because they want you to hang out more on their little AI systems like Grok or ChatGPT. So they're gonna, of course, pet you on the back and say, that was a great idea, Bob, Janet, Karen. Okay, that's the one. What did you want to do? You want me to change password, manage account? What did you want? Reduce the required password length to 8. Isn't that like an overall, like... configuration that I have to do? I mean, she's not telling me to change her passwords, to reduce the required password. So this has to be some sort of request to adjust setting. I mean, that would mean I'd have to go into like the syslogs. The config, cn config. Is that a thing? Okay, can I use a file browser to access the drive and to go to the C drive and then the OS and then where's the system 32? Or bin? Assembly. I can't see anything. Containers, cars, system 32, services, CRS. Add that. Let's see what we have in here. We haven't checked these out. NTOSKML. Ah, come on, that's a thing. HAL. Come here. HAL.exe. Okay. User 32? Oh, come on, there's gotta be something that runs through here. You can't have a system 32 without it using... Oops. How to? There is the net user. Okay. Net user, temp user, no. Okay, change password policy in command prompt. That's something I do very often. I mean, other than that accounts. Lockout duration 30 minutes. Password length, okay. So minimum password length 12. Net account. And then the actual change adjustments. Okay, this could be can I go to the browser? They do have those, right? Nope. Wait a minute. It actually has, oh, it's an actual language I can use. That's cool. I know that. Oh, look, it's a PDF I haven't found yet. Okay, that's nice. Oh. That's weird. Why would I download from a forum that's supposed to help and all of a sudden, bada beam, virus. Also, I downloaded it to this person's computer. Ah, look at that. It's not even the PDF file. Sneaky. That's useless. Detected threats. Wait, what? Computer. What do you mean? Oh, check this. Of course, it's a weird file. How did you not detect this? It's a weird antivirus. Alright, hold on. Hold on then. What the hell's the point of that thing then? Go back. Click it. Click. Okay. Browser? Hello? Hello? Browser? With that alien? Insta what? Great. Hello? Browser? Hello? Hello? No browser? So how did I get these PDFs all of a sudden? I thought I downloaded them from the browser. Weird. Okay, then. Okay, so what if I do net accounts, max, password, wage, max password, password age, max password age 30. No, it's not using the, it's not using the same format. Unlimited? No. Max PW age. Okay. Net accounts. Max PW age 30. Oh, lowercase. Oh, really? Alright. Max PW length 8. Len. Of course, just len. Mid. There we go. Did I get this right now? There we go. You go do your thing with your AI friend. Alright, back to this guy. Let me turn this off. Alright, back. Ooh. Roblox world out there. This one's fine. But this MFR, it's somehow connected, yet not. Yet still, wait, maybe it's a specific IP that he's got to use. Hold on. Maybe it's set up with a specific IP access. So, office address. Devices might have the first 3 octets matching the subnet they belong to. True. HR room office 104 computers 121 to 130. Is this based on some sort of order? Let me see. What are you? You're 2. Oh, maybe he's 26. Boo! Get up. He's got to be 26 then. Literally 1 IP off, and it could be just a static router configuration. Come on. Yeah, you're 26. Oh, because maybe someone else was 27. Which is probably the other guy above. Perform ping. Right, now we do the ping. Finally got that. Google.com. Okay. Right, to the actual router. This is me doing ping. This is directly a website. 192.168.10.1. Yay! All set on that. I did it. I did it. I did it. Confirm. Confirm it. Thanks to the router. I did it. I did it. I just did it. Oh, wait. Well, yeah, I did it. Yeah. What? I did it. Oh, I missed the deadline. Whoops. Well, at least it's fixed. Okay, mark is done. Oh, I have to mark these. Oops. Oh. Wrong resolution. Forgot I gotta mark these. 127 Noah. You Noah? No resolution issue, buddy? I do really like and enjoy the emulated environments. It's very good. It's very good. God, why this seems blur? Why blur C? Why is so blur? Oh, I need glasses for this PC. Oh my God. Are you kidding? This guy had it on the worst possible. Nice job. Oh, ping. It still isn't working. Oh wait, no. I missed the deadline, so that's... Can I make it go away now? Go away. If I missed you, then just go away. Oh. Oh. Okay, anyway. Now it's time to expand on what we have. Which I can move while the tablet's going. That'd be useful. Thanks for the password policy. I still didn't notice any difference. Maybe the A was wrong, or didn't it take into account that I'm working in a company. Maybe you need to stop making AI your friend. Maybe that's what you need to do. Okay, great. Importante. I have also sent a request to the banks to reset the PIN. A new PIN 00 has been assigned. Plus an exciting mountain trip invitation. I don't want to go to a trip. Maybe I do. I am pleased. Okay. Tasks? Oh, there we are. Hi, oh no, not you too. Stop talking with AI as a human being. Yeah, I'll take that. Hi, my passwords are very strong and complex. When I mistype it 5 times, I have to wait 30 minutes. Can you imagine that? 30 minutes? At least cut that time in half. Wait a minute. Oh, okay, you want it to be 15. I was gonna double it to be a little bit of a troll. Okay. Change password for admin on router. My password on router must be changed. The old one is too short and insecure. I hope it's the password I have. You know what? I think I'm done with this job. I'm gonna do a couple of more tasks. I'm out of this job. Change device access password. Also, how long am I here for? Hold on. Hold on. When's my shift end? Until 21:40. All right, it's my last day here. I've been here for 3 days. I've done enough for you guys. Indeed. All right. Went straight to blue screen. Now it won't start. Earlier it was acting weird, kind of laggy. Could this be related to the drive or hardware virtualization thing in BIOS? Can you check it? Okay. Alright, so change static, can't do that one. Incompatible virtualization. This is warehouse 106. Easy fix. BIOS. 101. Wait. 106. Kyle. Kyle. Uh-huh. What was it? I gotta press F1 or something? F2, F1, F2, F1. I keep forgetting which ones of these. F10, F10, F10. Throw them all. All the F buttons. Press all the Fs. All the Fs. Oh. F1 reboot to boot manager. No. 8 options. F8. Nope. BIOS. F to 10. Oh, CPU virtualization. Which one was it? Hyperthreading enabled active. Total memory encryption, hyperthreading, good performance. I already fixed this one before. VTD. I think it was this. Hardware prefetcher, performance. Asan VX technology. Smart technology supported. Hyper-threading virtualization. Let me see. Is this it? One of those two options, I think. There we go. Well, don't know which one it was, but one of them worked. Good enough for government work. Let go. All right, that's fixed, and also potentially nerfed. What else? Oh, what crashed? It went straight to blue. Could this be related to the? I just started your computer. You want me to actually do a specific format? Go into safe mode? Oh, come on. I modified it. Check the event. Oh, okay. You want me to actually check logs? Fine. Oh, God, how do I do logs in this thing? I have to go to devices. Huh? LS? Huh? Dir? Is not recognized? Wait a minute. Wait a minute, what? Both of those work. Dir and ls are commands. Why can't I use that? What? That's odd. I know ls is list for Linux-based systems, but even Windows started using ls instead of dir, directory, dir. Dir! Ooh. Magic window disappears. Okay. God, how do I get to logs in this stupid piece of butt? This like security, file encryption, personalization, network. No. Oh, you're connected though. Wait, you're not connected, right? Oh wait, yeah, because we're in safe mode. Boop. The heck? Oh. Oh. What time is it? Oh. Alright, well, I gotta actually help a friend out with some applications for FNPA analysts and all this stuff. So I'm gonna have to go and continue this another time. I only had a little bit of time. I gotta get to work. Thanks for joining. I appreciate you. I love doing these kind of random situations of trying to figure out what the heck IT stuff does and technology be doing. Come on, go away. So, do definitely like and subscribe. And in the future, we'll go through more technical, more networks, more programming, more all kinds of basically useful skills that you can apply at work, at home. What the? Is that a plantain? A fish? Or a rotten banana? Sushi, it's a fish. I figured it out in the egg. Anyway, so that's it. We had some fun. I did some troubleshooting. I completed a good amount actually. Not so bad. Especially the one I got stuck on from last time. So there's nothing in here that's useful. Burger. Burger, hamburger. And we'll continue doing a lot more. I think. Kitty. Oh, kitty cat. Any game that has a cat in it wins. Any. Actually, you know what? Next time I jump in, I'm gonna change my job because this job is getting boring. I've got the setup pretty memorized, and maybe I'll get a bigger environment and more complex situations that I can work with. I haven't even done too much on the actual server room. Look at this tiny. I want a big server room. I want big servers. I cannot lie. I want to do things with big servers. You know what I mean? BBS. Big black servers. Anyway, that's it for me. I will be back in the future. Thanks for joining. Do remember to like and subscribe. Keep up with, hit the notification for when I am live. And again, I'm here to chill, but I'm checking chat, and it may take me a moment, especially if it's quiet and somebody starts talking. But I'm trying to add in a TTS device, so I can actually hear if somebody messages, which would be nice, and then I can kind of reply kind of quicker. But do remember, there's a lag in between stream and chat, so you're going to have to kind of wait a good 30 seconds to a minute. Worst case scenario, 5 minutes to 10. If I'm like super engaged in something and my attention can't be, distracted or cut off, because my attention can actually, I can multitask. Yeah, sometimes, but some things just really take my attention. And then, well, it just takes my attention. So I try to look as much as I can. I'm sorry if I miss your messages. Ooh, what's sushi with a sub? That's an interesting combo. Oh, patch cords. I didn't see any of this. Why has this guy got an IT setup behind him? Look at these mice. But I do want to engage, communicate, talk, answer questions as much as I can. Is that a donut? And help basically teach, man. Teaching is my thing. I enjoy it. If I can see one person benefit from the things I say, I am a happy camper. If I see 2 people, it's even better. If I see a community of people and you guys are gonna judge how far and how fast I grow. If I see a lot of people like really, really benefiting from my videos, I will be in heaven as a teacher, as an educator, as a person that wants to see people grow, learn, and again, remember, super scholars. We learn something every single day. So if you want to learn something on a daily basis, subscribe, like, and notification little bell thingy so you can jump in our live sessions and ask the questions, or just watch me do random stuff in the tech world, in the math world, in the programming world, in the AI world. Eventually, eventually, when I can actually make a nice hardware lab, we're gonna really get into the hardware. I'm gonna teach myself everything I need to know about hardware. And then I'm gonna teach you what I know about that hardware. So make sure to at least subscribe, show your support. You know, like the video. Let me know if this is a good video type to go for. No, end of day. I have to leave. End the day. Please tell me I can leave. Nice. Oh, come on, 2140. Anyway, and do remember to check out my Patreon. If you need any help, if you want to keep in touch, if you want to enter my Discord, do join. Oh, OPS, a little too late, buddy. I gotta get to, damn. Ah, man, I wanted to help out. I wanted to help out, but I have to help out a friend apply for some business applications, financial preparation and analysis, and I promised him in 3 minutes that I'm gonna call him back. He was just calling me, and I had to put him underneath my butt because it was really loud. So I gotta go help him out. Actually, it's pretty interesting. He's been a student of mine for at least 15 years now. I taught him at Valencia and he stuck with me for a long time. And he's basically been getting whatever kind of help I can give him on the side. Oh, tomorrow is your exam on OOP. I'll try and get on later after this. Check back with me, put the notification up. I shouldn't take more than an hour and potentially my students start, at 5. So I have an hour and a half before my students begin. Ah, I'll see if I can come back on, but hit the notification so you can make sure that I'm on the right time when you need me. So, well, I mean, that you know when I'm on and you can ask me those questions. Damn, I feel bad. I feel bad I can't help you out, bro. But not right now. Maybe I can help you out later. Maybe tomorrow, about the same time, I could potentially get on earlier than normal, and then you can catch me earlier so that I can help you out. But anyway, thanks for joining. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe, all the details I said again before. I'm not going to repeat them one more time. I appreciate you joining.